its inception so you can understand why country is at the very heart of what we do. So what do you say, gang? We do some country! Come on! When I look in her eyes, it ain't no surprise. Sparks start flying like the 4th of July. She gets me so hot, my heart starts to pumping. When we get to kissing, there ain't no stopping. When it comes to loving, she ain't no slacker. My little darling is a firecracker. When you light the fuse, you gotta get back with. You gotta be careful with a dynamite stick. Son of a gun, she's fun to handle, and she packs a punch like a Roman candle. She's a pack of black cats in a red paper wrapper. My little darling is a firecracker. Yeah! We might not ought to take a roll on the hay, 'cause we'll burn the barn down to one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no joy. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. She goes off with a great big bang. Boys, I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. She takes off, you better hang on tight. She's a brunette bottle rocket in the middle of the night. She makes love, she's a heart attacker. My little darling is a firecracker. Yeah! We might not ought to take a roll of the hay, 'cause we'll burn a barn down to one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no joy. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. And she's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. Burn it up, boys! Woo-hoo! Hey, Bobby. Man, y'all sound good. Bobby, hang on a second. How you doing tonight? Hi there. What's your name? Elaine, come up here. Help Elaine up, folks. Come here, Elaine. Come here. What? You don't worry about what we're going to do. I want to show you off a little bit here. Elaine's been looking up at me, and I've been looking down at Elaine all night.
You've been looking back to see what I was looking back to see.
I know that song.
Looking back at me.
That's right. I got all of that. Elaine, Elaine, she's been grinning ear to ear, and I wanted to show that off. Where are you from, Elaine?
Columbia, South Carolina.
Right next door. Yeah. Well, we're glad you're here tonight, Elaine. Is that your husband over there sitting next to you?
I think so.
You think so? What's his name?
Lawrence Grollo.
And how many years with Lawrence?
35.
35 years.
And tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be 70.
Tomorrow's your birthday, Elaine? How many years?
73.
73. Wow, golly day. Well, listen. Is it okay if I dance with your bride a little bit? He don't care.
No, he don't care.
I tell you what.
What we gonna do?
We're going to dance a little bit. It's your birthday tomorrow? I'm going to let... It's your birthday, not mine. Okay, put the hand a little higher there. Yeah, happy birthday, Elaine. Okay. All right. Are you ready, Elaine?
Yeah.
Bobby, cut her loose. Here we go. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. How about a hand for Lane, huh? Woo! Firecracker, firecracker.